Hey guys, welcome to the So Blessed channel. Today we're making a Filipino style appetizer called Lumpia. Well, at least we're using the Lumpia wrapper, and I actually came up with my own combination for the filling, but it's close enough to be called Lumpia. I think so. If you don't, let me know, okay? So we're gonna use the ground beef instead of the combination of ground pork and ground beef. I'm just using straight ground beef and cabbage, carrots, and onions, and a good bit of seasoning. And of course the lumpia wrapper. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's give this a try. I broke off half of it. You saw me do it, so I'm gonna give it a try on the camera. And of course I am gonna double dip because this is my sweet chili sauce. It's good, guys. The crispiness, that lumpia wrapper versus the egg roll wrapper makes a difference if you like the crispy exterior. You hear that crunch? Delicious, guys. You can see the cabbage, carrots, and the ground beef. Can't see the onions, of course, but they're in there. And that sweet chili sauce is delicious. I don't know what kind of dip you use, but the sweet chili sauce I like it. I've had it before and I really enjoy it. And I was in the grocery store and a guy that worked in the grocery store recommended that particular brand. Now I've heard from friends that they've used a combination of soy sauce, vinegar, onions, garlic, and a little bit of sugar to make their own dip. But I like this. So this is what I'm using. May try that later. I got quite a few of them here to eat. The rest of them, and this was just only half of what the recipe that I used came up with. The other half I'm going to actually freeze that, put it in Ziploc bags and store it away for another day. But I'm enjoying this quite a bit, probably too much. I hope you guys have a chance to try it. If you do, let me know. If you have a different recipe or another way that you make your filling, share in the comments so that we all can see. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.